Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it was time to do my henna treatment, and I thought it'd be a great time to also get rid of a few little knots and tangles on my ends with a fun new little tool. So let's get started. So guys, we're going to start with freshly washed hair. We're going to need some aloe vera juice. We're going to need shea butter as well as a wide tooth comb and some scissors and this fun new little small blow dryer. First thing I'm going to do is separate my hair, of course, into sections, make it easier to do. And now what I'm going to do is separate that section into smaller sections. When you're trimming your hair, you want to make the section as small as possible. And what I'm going to do, guys, is actually spray my hair with a little aloe vera juice to add some moisture in there. And I'm also going to use some shea butter sealant, my regular sealant, guys, to not only add slip to detangle it, keep the moisture in there, but also I want to protect it from the heat I'm going to be using in my hair, guys. This is the first time I'm actually putting heat directly on my hair. That's why I'm making sure it's probably protected with the shea butter. And I'm going to detangle it, guys, make sure it's detangled as much as I can. And we're going to hold this and blow it out. Not only this is drying back my hair, but also it's helping to stretch it a little bit. Guys, I am not trying to do a full blowout on my hair. I don't want it straight or anything. This is just to get it stretched enough so I can trim the ends while it's dry. And I'm also going to make sure I detangle it just a little bit more, as much tangle as possible. And I'm going to separate that into even smaller section, guys, so I can feel where the ends start to go bad at the bottom and also look at them and see the bad ends. And I'm going to trim that off. And guys, this is what I'm going to do for my entire hair. We're going to use the aloe vera juice to moisturize it, detangle, put some shea butter in there to not only detangle but protect it. And I'm going to separate that section into even smaller sections to go over and trim those ends that I don't want anymore until it's completely done. So guys, one thing I do after I'm done doing my entire hair in section is I will comb it back out and go over and trim the ends again. If there's any little ends that are just thin and longer than the other ones, I'll trim those. If there's any ones that look like they're straggling, I can feel any little knots in them, I will trim them as well to make sure that I don't have any knots and tangles in my hair anymore. I did notice that once I comb it out, it was easy to comb out. I didn't have any more tangles at the end anymore, and it wasn't bad. Guys, this actually took about 2 hours to do, which is a lot longer than when I used to do it wet. So overall, guys, it was not bad to stretch my hair a little bit to trim it. It came out nicer than I thought it was for me doing this for the first time. I was able to take out all these knots and tangles. Overall, guys, I did not mind it. The only thing was how long it took. If it was wet, I could have done it a lot faster than that. I didn't really see a big difference in me doing this with dry hair or wet hair. I was able to trim my hair either way. So next time I'll probably go back to cutting it wet again because it's a lot faster for me to do, as I mentioned. But it got done. I'm done. I took out those knots and tangles. I don't have to worry about them anymore, and my hair is trimmed out. And this is how much I took out, guys. It wasn't a lot. It seems like you're cutting a lot of your hair usually when you have knots and tangles, but you're not. So if you do have them, go trim them. If you haven't already, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos out. Give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments down below, guys. Go over and watch my last video.